Joining us on WHKY TV News, as he does each month, and we do appreciate that, is Scott Reilly, our district attorney here in the 36th Prosecutorial District. And Mr. Reilly, first of all, thanks for coming in as usual.
Thank you very much for having me.
We wanted to start off today's conversation by talking about a conference that goes on in October.
Yes, we have the District Attorney's Conference. It's the third week in October every single year. Courts shut down so that we can attend our conferences and we get updates in criminal law. We have talks on ethics. We have a certain number of hours that we have to receive on ethics and also substance abuse. So we all attended that and got our hours in, and we also were addressed by Chief Justice Paul Newby, who welcomed us.
That sounds like a great conference. And as you and I are taping this, you're in the midst of a murder trial here in the district.
Exactly. We got back from our conference and went straight into a first-degree murder trial. In fact, closing arguments are scheduled for this morning. So we're looking forward to completing that case. That was one of 5 co-defendants who are all charged with murdering 2 people. We have resolved 4 of those cases, and the last one is going on right now. You
were telling me before we went on the air that there has been a disturbing increase in violent gun crimes in the district.
Yeah, I hate to bring it up, but we have noticed this, and you probably see it because you give the news reports every morning. But there has been a disturbing increase in the number of violent gun-related violence, the shooting into the occupied vehicles, shooting into occupied homes. It is very disturbing, and in response to this, I've met with Chief Thurman Wisnett with the Hickory Police Department to how to address these things. The Hickory Police Department has now formed a specialized unit that is going to use their resources in attempting to identify these people who are committing these crimes and focusing their efforts and resources in prosecuting these crimes. Generally, we see that there is a small number of people, repeat offenders, who are committing a large percentage of the crime. So with the specialized unit, the District Attorney's Office is committed to working with the Hickory Police Department to prioritize these cases and focus our efforts on bringing these people to justice.
On a much brighter note, you had a visit at the District Attorney's, or actually over at the Justice Center. Talk about that visit from an area school.
Right. It restores my faith in our young people, and it was very nice, exactly when I needed it. Tuttle Elementary students came to visit the Catawba County Justice Center last week, and we host a number of elementary classes. They come over, they visit the Justice Center, and actually participate in a mock trial. And they'll take the roles of the judge, the district attorney, the witnesses, and the jurors, and they really participated, and I really thought they did well, and I want to thank the students at Tuttle Elementary and their teachers for the, I can tell they're really raising some good children and giving them guidance and direction, and I was so appreciative of the nice thank you notes that they sent to our office.
Scott Reilly, our district attorney who represents Caldwell, Catawba, Burke counties, the 36th Prosecutorial District, and Mr. Reilly will join us again next month here on WHKY TV News.